Ever wondered how to cook delicious orange chicken at home? Orange chicken, a delightful fusion of East and West, is a popular dish known for its sweet and tangy flavors. Originating from the Hunan province of China, this dish has found its way to the heart of American Chinese cuisine. The secret? A combination of tender chicken pieces, the zesty punch of fresh oranges, and a medley of spices that add a kick of heat. Today, you will learn how to make this delightful dish in the comfort of your own kitchen. Before we dive into the cooking process, gather these ingredients. You'll need boneless chicken, cornstarch, and an egg. Don't forget your seasonings, salt and pepper. For frying, you'll need oil. For the delightful orange sauce, assemble orange juice, vinegar, and soy sauce. Add a touch of sweetness with sugar. Finally, bring in the aromatic trio of ginger, garlic, and a sprinkle of red chili flakes for that kick. Once you have all these ingredients ready, you're set to start cooking. First off, start with the star of the dish, the chicken. Now you'll want to get your hands a little dirty. Take your boneless chicken breasts or thighs, whichever you prefer, and begin cutting them into bite-sized pieces. Remember, the goal is to ensure every piece is roughly the same size for even cooking. Once all your chicken is cut, it's marinating time. Sprinkle a generous amount of salt and pepper over your chicken pieces. Use your hands to mix it all together, ensuring each piece is well seasoned. Next, let's move on to the egg wash. Beat a couple of eggs in a bowl until they're nice and frothy. Dip each piece of chicken into the beaten egg, making sure it's fully coated. Lastly, roll your egg-dipped chicken pieces in cornstarch. The cornstarch will give your chicken that perfect crispy exterior we all crave. Now that your chicken is prepared, it's time for the exciting part, frying. Get ready for some sizzling action as we fry our chicken to golden perfection. The key to a perfectly fried chicken lies in the temperature of the oil. You'll want to heat it to just the right point where it's hot enough to sizzle, but not so hot that it smokes. Now let's get our chicken into the oil. The process is simple, but there's an art to it. You'll want to place each piece in the oil gently to avoid any splashes. The chicken should be submerged in the oil, frying until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Remember, patience is key. Don't rush this process. Fry your chicken in batches to avoid overcrowding. Overcrowding can lower the temperature of the oil and result in a soggy rather than crispy exterior. By taking your time and frying in small batches, you'll achieve that irresistible crunch that makes orange chicken so delectable. With your chicken fried to a crisp, it's time to whip up our tangy orange sauce. The secret to a great orange chicken lies in its sauce. Preparing this flavorful concoction is a dance between sweet and tangy, a balance that will elevate your dish to new heights. To start, we'll simmer some fresh orange juice in a saucepan. This will serve as the backbone, providing that citrusy punch we're looking for. Next, we'll add in a splash of vinegar to introduce some tanginess, followed by a dash of soy sauce for that rich, savory depth. Then comes the sugar, our sweet counterpart to the tangy vinegar. Stir it well until the sugar is completely dissolved. Now let's spice things up a bit. We'll grate in some fresh ginger and garlic for a warm, aromatic kick. And for those who like a touch of heat, a sprinkle of red chili flakes will do the trick. Remember, it's all about balance here, so adjust the flavors to your liking. Now that your sauce is ready, let's bring it all together. Now comes the moment of truth, combining our crispy chicken with the tangy orange sauce. It's like watching two artists meet on a canvas, the crispy chicken and the vibrant orange sauce, both masterpieces in their own right. But together, they create something truly spectacular. To do this, we're going to gently toss our fried chicken pieces in the sauce. The key here is to ensure that every piece is well coated, drenched in that zesty, sweet, tangy goodness. But remember, timing is everything. This isn't a step you want to do too early. We want to maintain that delightful crunch in every bite. So, just before you're ready to serve, that's when you introduce the chicken to the sauce. This way, the exterior stays crispy while soaking up the flavors of the sauce. And there you have it, a delectable plate of homemade orange chicken. A symphony of flavors and textures that will make your taste buds dance with joy. Enjoy!